Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. I'm Blake Bunch, PWA. Today we're going to be diving deep into an essential aspect of your financial well-being, your property and casualty insurance policies. Your property and casualty insurance policies aren't just pieces of paper collecting dust. They're crucial components of your financial plan. It's like having a safety net for your assets. But just like any safety net, you need to make sure it's sturdy and up to date. That's where regular reviews come in. Until then, please feel free to use our DIY checklist here, and I'll walk us through some of the potential changes to consider when reviewing your property and casualty insurance policies. First up is real estate and property insurance. Have you bought or sold a property recently? Maybe spruced up your place? It's vital to ensure your coverage matches the property's current value. Did you make significant improvements, or has the property value shot up? You'll want to adjust your coverage accordingly to avoid any nasty surprises down the line. Next, auto insurance. If your wheels have seen some miles, it might be time to reassess your collision and comprehensive coverage. And if you got a new driver in the family, congratulations. But don't forget to update your policies to ensure everyone's protected on the road. And lastly, personal property and umbrella insurance. Got some high value items? Make sure they're scheduled in your policy for full coverage. For extra peace of mind, consider an umbrella policy to protect your liability coverage beyond what your homeowner's policy offers. Remember, folks, these are just highlights. Your advisor should walk you through the nitty-gritty details based on your unique situation during your next call. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Protecting your assets is serious business, but with this right guidance, you can sleep easy knowing you're well covered. Until next time, stay savvy and don't forget to like and subscribe.